In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize Smartsheet Workspaces. Organizing your Smartsheet Workspaces can make a world of difference in how efficiently you manage projects, track tasks, and collaborate with your team. By taking a thoughtful approach to structuring these workspaces, you can create an environment that supports productivity and clarity. So let's dive in. A great starting point is to structure your workspaces by department or function. Think about the different sections or teams within your organization, like marketing, sales, human resources, and finance. Establishing separate workspaces for each of these groups helps you consolidate related projects and files into one place, allowing for easier access and management. This method not only helps in locating the right files quickly, but also keeps your data organized according to specific functions within the organization. For instance, having all marketing-related projects centralized in a single workspace means that team members can jump in and find exactly what they need without sifting through unrelated files. Once you've created workspaces for each department or function, the next step is to make use of folders within these workspaces. By creating folders, you can further organize your sheets and reports. For example, within the marketing workspace, you could have folders labeled campaigns, budgets, and reports. Such a hierarchical structure aids in maintaining a clean and navigable workspace environment. Another benefit of this folder system is that it can reflect the way your teams think about their responsibilities, making it intuitive for them to quickly access essential documents. Now, let's talk about the importance of moving sheets to the appropriate workspaces. As you work on various projects, your Sheets folder can become cluttered with completed or inactive sheets. To keep things tidy and focused, it's a good idea to move these sheets to their respective workspaces once they're no longer active. This ensures that your main view remains uncluttered, highlighting only the active and ongoing tasks that require immediate attention. It's worth mentioning that you'll need admin or owner access to move sheets into a workspace. If you only have viewer or editor access, moving sheets will not be possible. Taking time to thoughtfully organize your Smartsheet workspaces by department, function, and further by folders within each workspace will create a cohesive and efficient system. This not only facilitates project management, but also supports seamless collaboration across teams. By implementing these strategies, your workspace will not only look more professional, but also help in driving productivity across your projects and departments. Thank you for tuning in to this video. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to apply them to your Smartsheet setup. Have a great day and happy organizing!